experience, the grace, and the passion, and the dignity of approach. We'll be able to put all the efforts to bring about a good idea so that we will advise you as strong and when necessary. Thank you very much.
Asante sana daktari. Dr. Tutamunga, thank you so much. Tupige makofi mengi. Tupigie makofi because we are very happy and we want to welcome you to Murang'a. Then next, I humbly invite Dr. S.K. Masharia to make his remarks. Tupigie makofi ya kutosha.
Thank you all. Excellency, the Governor, First Lady, I simply want just to say a few words that you are first of the kind to have an event like this or to take an action like this. We will know these gentlemen very well. We will not fail you. We will support you in all ways.
Chairman Dr. S.K. Chairman Dr. S.K.
Your Excellency, First Lady, ladies and gentlemen, all protocols observed. It gives me great pleasure at this particular moment to be associated with the county of Murang'a. County of Murang'a has always been a great county in many areas, whether it's in the area of commerce, areas of education, areas of enterprise, areas of entrepreneurship, and many others. So it is a great honor to be associated with this county, and also very important in this context. I think somebody said positions of leadership are positions to serve people and to improve the welfare of the people and not to take advantage of the opportunities available. One of the reasons I am happy to serve in this council is because I have seen and have demonstrated through action, through what you say, and even what you put on the social media, that your leadership is for serving the people of Murang'a and people of Kenya. So I'm sure that my colleagues here will be delighted to offer you the best knowledge, the best advice we have. And I believe nobody should ever go to the grave with any good ideas in his head. Thank you.
We now invite Dr. Akombe to make his remarks. Tumpigie makofi.
Your Excellency the Governor, the First Lady of Murang'a, members of the County Assembly and the County Executive, I am very, very humbled to stand in front of you today after swearing the oath of office to join Murang'a's Economic Forum. I am but one of the many people from this county who are highly talented and who are willing to serve the people of Murang'a through the Murang'a County Government. I have no doubt that we shall succeed. I have no doubt that Murang'a shall provide leadership to the other counties, because by counties becoming successful, then Kenya will become a successful nation. Mine is to promise to serve, as I've sworn the oath, with diligence, to give back to the people who raised me and contributed to what I am today. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. I now invite Professor Masharia to make this. Tumpigie makofi.
Your Excellency, Governor of the great county of Murang'a, First Lady, ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed a great honor for me to stand here with my take the oath and start the journey towards realizing the words of the great anthem that you have listened to this morning. I'm very happy to be in this company, Your Excellency, and especially because you have amplified the ethos of servant leadership. Each one of us here are committed to doing our best to give you the advice and the support that you need, not what you want. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Prof. We invite now Dr. Saul to give a copy of the student.
Your Excellency the Governor, our First Lady, Deputy Governor, all leadership present, and my colleagues. A story is told of this worker who was busy working at the launch pad of a rocket. And the captain of the rocket went down to supervise to make sure that all was in place before the launch of the rocket. And he found this man scrubbing the floor. And he asked the person who was scrubbing the floor, "What is your duty?" And the man who was a cleaner said, "My work is to make sure this rocket goes to the moon." So, Your Excellency, you have already shared the vision. And our council here, our work is to make sure that Murang'a succeeds. And with that, I accept this position and offer my professionalism and my time and my duty. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. We now invite Dr. Ferista to make her remarks. To give a copy of the speaker.
Next is the Governor of Murang'a, and Madam, and everybody gathered here this afternoon. I don't know it's afternoon or morning, but forgive me. But it was a position. So, naturally, we are very happy that you have been at this position. During the time of campaign, some people started trying to go back. I think we got a party, and it was called the bus. And we're happy we have a bus here in Murang'a, and we have a moving bus. It's not stationary. We are joining a moving bus, and we're very, very happy that we'll be able to move in that bus and contribute. This is shared leadership. We are happy that you are allowing us to have an each. Maybe something for the Murang'a County, and thank you very much. We have sworn that we support you in doing what you're going to do. And let me just add a little bit, and there's nothing to do with politics. I have a gathering of some women somewhere, and she'll say, "You know what, your country has very many leaders. It has very many forward-looking leaders. Even your governor is up there. By the way, should you pick up the next president from Murang'a? There's no politics." Thank you.
I now humbly invite Ambassador Muthoni Gishoni to pigia balozi makofi. And please tusalimia na Chinese. Pigia makofi.
Your Excellency, the Governor of Murang'a, the First Lady, Your Excellency, the Governor, all the other protocols observed, and I also have to acknowledge my colleagues. It's really an honor and a privilege to serve in this forum. I thank you, the Governor, for finding me worthy to serve in this forum. I'm really looking forward to use it, and I noted that I was appointed for external entities to use my leverage on my external entities, especially the ones that I learned when I was the ambassador for a short time. The People's Republic of China. And I also intend to use the leverage of the other ambassadors in other countries to bring all the experiences and all the good things to Murang'a. I am happy that now I now have a forum in which I am able to actually do something directly to help the benefit of Murang'a County. I also want to add my voice to thank the governor for the work you have done. We are so encouraged that we really have a foundation already in which to spring up ourselves as we work in the Economic Council, Economic Forum. I am more, in fact, I have a lot of interest in addressing the issues of Murang'a being a county where it's agricultural, in addressing the trade for our agricultural products. And in addressing the trade of agricultural products, I am looking at addressing the issue of the cost of production. And I've been speaking to you, and you're aware that we're looking at a program in which we shall be able to address the cost of production and increase the production. And then thereafter, we are looking at addressing the issue of post-harvest process by doing value addition. Those are really things, is a pet project for me. I am really looking forward, and I'm also looking forward to introduce the program to my fellow colleagues in the Economic Forum, so that I can get their support and their experience and their advice, so that we can work on the benefits of the county. Your Excellency, I am ready to serve. Thank you.
Jichukulie 30 days third-party cover for your motor vehicle kwa thao moja tu and say goodbye to expensive motor vehicle insurance. Pata bima kutoka Direct Line Assurance. Kujisajili bonyeza *487*4# na uweke number plate ya gari yako, ID number yako, email address yako na ulipe thao moja tu, and your digital cover will be sent to you instantly. Collect your sticker at your nearest Total service station. Dial *487*4# upate third-party motor vehicle insurance valid for 30 days pap. Ni thao tu.
Etoga thoni nona ndamutwara no nyumbere ya hare muico biu
wa mutwara kana watwara dawa
ndamutwarira dawa
kareke amenye kuria turathi sawa kumenya sawa kihikage niguo githa gitana thi muno
ndakurie no kite ino tugania ni we
tikwariki
nimeget airtime.
Airtel Money inakuokolea.
Really?
Ukiwithdraw chapa kwa Airtel Money agent inakurudishia hiyo transaction fee kama airtime.
Auntie.
Karibu.
Airtel Money makes your life kidogo better.
Kiumia giki thiini wa Kiriribi nyitanira na Honorable Moses Kuria makiunanira Njung'wa na Michael Njenga mena Nderitu Waihura thiini wa Kiriribi kiumia tariki 21 wa Januari mwaka uyu thaa 1:30 cia utuku.
Tire karugano utasikiza chini ya simu yako ukinya *860*280# na kulikaye ino ni mushie wa aini othe.
Consultants will help come and create first world health system in Murang'a County. When our sons and daughters were out there, we created networks and connections. Please, we want those connections in Murang'a. Those of us who are here, we do not want to say we know anything. No. We have a lot of gaps, we have a lot of challenges. We believe that the good ideas that we have can always yield to better ideas. We have called you up because we do not want to say we are the best. We can only say we listen to you. And also, We must learn as Murang'a people to respect age. These are people who have stayed long, seen much, and as the Swahili say, kuishi kwingi. So we believe that will help us and Murang'a can only become better. The vision that we have for this county of Murang'a is a vision where the government will have is for business. Most of you are eminent business people. Let's create an environment that attracts the best investment in this county. That if you're a business person, you want to open a business, you create an environment for young people so that we are able to get a little bit of more taxes, lower revenue, so that we are able to utilize that tax for the benefit of people of Murang'a. This council get that Murang'a needs business. Ours is pure concentration on the government, and we have no doubt you are going to critique us when we go wrong. To the county employees, even as we welcome this new council, allow me also to set a danger. And the danger is we must now uplift our ethics and our standards upward. For obvious reasons. The caliber of the people who are not joined us, they are people who do not want to be associated with a county that has scandals, that has controversies. They have built a reputation over the years, and they now value that reputation more than any other thing. So the very fact they have joined us, this also means our standards have to go up to measure to their standards. So please, even as we celebrate psychologically, that's not going forward. Our standards now should be up there. Because it is through those standards they have opened the best banks in this republic. They have made major organizations in this republic. They have major broadcasting entities in this republic, achievement in the academia, appointments in the various important public positions. So therefore, you as an employee going forward, just know we must do our best to raise our standards, because the people who are now advising us, their standards are high. Allow me now to introduce for that just introduction, we start with the chief officers come here, your name and what you do, and then sit down, then you don't see, start with chief officers. Start with chief officers. Yes. I know some are not with us, so just want to be what you do. No need for protocol. My name is Dr. Paul, Chief Officer in charge of Agriculture, Livestock and Fishery. It's a good pleasure to have you around. Thank you.
My name is Angela Kioko, Chief Officer Immigration and Technical Training.
Good morning. My name is Samuel Murigi, Chief Officers, Governors Delivering.
Good afternoon. My name is Judith Inooro, Chief Officer Water, Environment and Climate Change. We are honored to have you here. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Inooro, Chief Officer Communication Media. A pleasure for being here. Thank you. Good morning. Edward Inooro, Chief Officer, Public Service and Administration, Asante.
CEC member for health and sanitation.
Glad to see my colleagues here from Masharia.
Hamjambo, I'm Philemon Kibiro, the Governor's Chief of Staff. I'm very happy to serve in the Secretary.
Good afternoon, my name is Professor Kiari Maura, CC Finance and Common Party. Happy to work with you. Thank you.
Good afternoon. It's my pleasure to welcome all of you. My name is Kiari Maura, the CC for Agriculture.
Good afternoon. My name is Mary Mboni. I'm CCF for Water, Irrigation, Environment and Climate Change. We'll be happy to work with you.
Good afternoon. My name is Paul Mova. I'm the CC for Trade, Industry, Tourism and Cooperative. And I'm very much happy to have you on. Thank you. Good afternoon. I'm Chris Murang'a, CEC, Roads, Housing and Infrastructure. It's a pleasure to be doing this. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Dr. Lily Mwangi. I'm the CCM Public Service and Administration. Professor, it's a pleasure to see you once again from Academy. God bless you.
Again, my name is James Doku. I'm the health attorney, the equivalent of Attorney General in the national government. And I was privileged to help the judiciary in conducting the swearing-in. And I want to take a cue from Dr. Boba to recognize my colleague, Ambassador, Advocate, and Mr. Jimna, who is also an advocate. The government is an advocate. And we are privileged to have this council as part of our team. Welcome.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Dr. Nicholas Mogi, County Secretary and Head of County Public Service. And I would also wish to introduce our legal advisor, Mr. Jacob Kanjũ.
Charles Leonard, the name, advocates,
So to this point, I wish to welcome our speaker, Honorable Mukura Kamoganya, introduce members of the County Assembly, and then welcome our Deputy Governor. Can you begin?
Thank you, Your Excellency, the Governor, Her Excellency, First Lady, Deputy Governor, my Lord Bishop, members of the Economic Council, my colleagues in the Assembly, CECs, CEOs, members of all the states, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I've been told to introduce the team, but before I do so, let me take this opportunity to congratulate the team. I think the Governor cannot do better than this. You've done the apex of what we expected. Thank you, Governor, for being fast and furious. Because if you were not fast enough, then some of these men would not have gotten them. Second, Governor, you know, delays are dangerous, and the prompt action was quite okay. I know that our work is the other arm of the county government, which is the legislature. Sometimes we are not seen so much because we do not do our work on the rooftops. Our main work being areas is oversight, legislation, and representation. And why we hear silent is because the governor has complied with that very well. Community representation, the governor is always consulting. He consults the assembly, and we sit down, look at things, and agree. In terms of legislation, I want to tell you the main point today that we are here because the legislation is clear, and a governor follows that very well. Unlike in other counties where you see people calling the media to oversight, we don't think that is the right way to do things. As we sit down, it has not been easy, I can tell you. We have sat down and brought issues and discussed and made the reform. So we are telling you that other than the executive arm of the government, there is the legislation arm, and it takes two to tango. There is no way that the governor will do all those things that he should do in the screen there without the approval of the assembly. Needless to say, I lead a team that is very, very committed to the people of Murang'a. We have vowed that we shall burn that different oil to make sure that governor executes his work without delays. Like I said, delays are dangerous. If it calls us to call for special sittings, we will do that. But I put a rider only if whatever he wants is for the benefit of the people of Murang'a. So at this juncture, I will request that the chief come here. My colleagues in the assembly, please come on. Members, we have 47 members of the county assembly, 35 elected, and 12 nominated. And I want to tell you, we've never had an assembly like we have today, with over 60% graduates, university graduates, and about 30% master degree holders. So, well, that is why you don't see on rooftops. We never see us on rooftops. We believe that matters to do with oversight is not a show, it's not a talk show, it's an issue of sitting down, discussing, understanding each other, and moving the county forward. I'll call the leader of majority to take over and introduce the other team.
Thank you, Speaker. Our Governor in the protocol observed. My name is Ibe Wasari, representing your ward in Kanjũ Sub-County. I am the leader of majority Murang'a County Assembly. Our Governor with his team, Murang'a can only be the best. Murang'a can only be the leading county in the traffic of Kenya. We have the leadership with us. Let me start with the chair budget. So, thank you.
Thank you very much, our leader of majority, our speaker, the excellent the governor, the team. My name is Charles Mateo Karina. The area MCA representing the good people of Township Board in our county assembly. Again, as I said earlier, I'm the chairperson of budget and appropriation committee. Mine is just to thank the governor for what you have done, because I had an opportunity to be the previous government or the previous assembly. And actually what you have done to us is a very good thing. Because this kind of race, we have been trying in the previous government to bring them to work together, and it has been a problem. Today we are very, very happy. I don't know whichever model that you use, maybe even to choose the best brain in the whole country. And as you are saying that, we must up our game, because these are people of high integrity, and I know that working with them, Murang'a will never be the same again. We are 1 year old, and we can say that with our governor, we are working with our governor. We are working with the governor because he's a consultative leader. He consults us in whatever he does. And maybe with also the same, I know we are going to move this country to another level. Thank you very much, and God bless you, and wish you all the best.
Of the chair finance.
Your Excellency the Governor, all professionals observed. My name is John Kifanya, member of the County Assembly Gatanga, and I also I am the Chair of Finance and Economic Planning in the County Assembly. Governor, I must thank you profusely for bringing these great minds together. And I want to welcome you and attest to the fact that you will not have joined Murang'a County at a better time, because all the economic indicators in Murang'a County since Governor Kanata was elected are on upward trajectory. I want to thank you very much, Governor, because of allowing us space to work with you. And I know that with these great minds here, they will be of great help in helping us to show our people from the lies and abyss that they have been shoved into by the previous administration. I must say that because it is the truth. And I must say that because most of these people here, presented here, have a historical memory of what has was happening in Murang'a previously. So Governor, thank you very much. And I can tell you for free that you have a committed team. We work very closely with the governor in the assembly. And I can tell you the CIDP that we passed for the next 5 years is a beautiful story of where our county should be. And if we follow that story critically, without deviating from it, I think Murang'a will reap big. I also am very happy to see S.K. Mashari. He comes from my neck of the wood, and I've been intending to meet him, and I have never had an opportunity to do that. What a great opportunity.
Your Excellency, our Governor, our protocols observed. My name is Stephen Bulekeman. I represent a group of Kanjũ in the ward, and I also serve as the Deputy Majority Whip in the Assembly. Allow me, our Governor, to applaud your wisdom in having this team as part of what is going to happen in Murang'a County. In these people, I can only see skills, knowledge, and experience. And as I make a saying, and I repeatedly say a saying by the English, that to whom much is given, much is expected. We are now set on another note. Murang'a is going higher. Now that we have you as a team working behind making sure that Murang'a accomplishes what our governor is intended to do. I would like to applaud also our governor for the support that he has given the county, and I must assure you that as our colleague said and our speaker said, anything that will come to the